Part 1. Hello friends, today for you all I have brought an absolutely new, full of taste and aroma one dish, Oriental chicken. This dish is prepared in such a way where East Asia's spicy sour taste and our familiar cooking warmth have together merged. Those who every day search for newness in food, for them this Oriental chicken undoubtedly is going to become one special experience. The main attraction of this cooking starts with vinegar and soya sauce marinated chicken pieces, which already inside the chicken deeply inserts flavor. Along with this gets added tomato sauce and soya sauce, which give the dish deep color and rich flavor. To increase spiciness and warmth, chili sauce and black pepper are used, and to keep taste balance, a little sugar and measured salt are added. To make the chicken texture soft and juicy, here an important role is played by corn flour and egg. These give the chicken a light coating so that during cooking every piece remains juicy and mouth-melting like. At the start of cooking, in the pan is given fragrant mustard oil, whose aroma fills the entire kitchen. After that, one by one are added chopped onion, garlic paste, chopped tomato, and colorful and fresh chopped capsicum, which give the dish freshness, color, and light crunch. At the beginning itself, take one big bowl and into it pour vinegar and soya sauce marinated chicken pieces. But one very important thing, on the chicken there should not be excess water, so earlier properly water has been drained. Now one by one comes the turn of increasing taste. Into the bowl goes tomato sauce, then soya sauce, and for spiciness with a little generous heart, chili sauce. Along with that is given pungent black pepper powder. To make the chicken soft and nicely coated, we add corn flour and only egg yolk. Now time to show hand strength. Everything is mixed well so that every chicken piece gets properly coated with sauce and spices. Now let eyes turn towards the stove. Into the pan we pour fragrant mustard oil. As soon as oil becomes hot, one by one we put in our marinated chicken pieces. To stop oil from splashing, we sprinkle a little salt in the pan. This small tip works wonderfully. Now with patience we keep frying the chicken well until they take beautiful color and the outside becomes lightly crispy. After the chicken is fried, we lift them and keep on tissue paper so that extra oil drains away. And in that same pan, keeping the used oil, starts the second chapter. First goes chopped onion and with it a little sugar. Not only for taste, this sugar brings beautiful brown color to the onion. Now we add colorful chopped capsicum, then comes aromatic garlic paste and juicy chopped tomato. According to taste we add salt, and mixing everything well, we add a little water and cover the pan so that all ingredients soften and release their own taste. After waiting for some time, when the lid is opened, again we add soya sauce, tomato sauce and a little chili sauce. From above we sprinkle a little black pepper. Now the earlier fried chicken pieces are returned to the pan and slowly mixed so that sauce and chicken give each other time to properly accept one another. And in this way friends, with a little time, a little love and a lot of fun, gets prepared our today's star dish, Oriental chicken. Hot, spicy, sour, saucy filled this dish, seeing it itself mouth will start watering. So why wait anymore? Serve it, call everyone and enjoy this wonderful cooking show's final taste. Because today's cooking means full-on entertainment. Kolkata's food culture always tells a story of a wonderful blending. Local taste, foreign influence and Bengali's own sense of flavor together creating a unique cooking tradition. From the 70s decade, Chinese food's popularity in Kolkata began to increase. Centering Taireta Bazaar, Tangra and Park Street developed a new stream of Indo-Chinese cooking. At that time, when Chinese chefs were creating new dishes using soya sauce, vinegar, garlic and various sauces, then according to Bengali taste, within those also began some changes, reducing extra oil, keeping spicy sour balance and a light touch of sweetness. With all these gradually were born some dishes which were not completely Chinese nor completely local. Oriental chicken is the result of that stream. Initially, Oriental chicken was mainly limited to some restaurants and dhabas, but very quickly its popularity spread. Vinegar and soya sauce marinated chicken, spicy chili sauce, tomato sauce's sweet and sour taste, and garlic's sharp aroma, together these created taste settled wonderfully on Bengali tongues. Those who like a little spicy gravy with rice and those who want chicken with fried rice or noodles, both sides Oriental chicken became equally beloved. Then with time, this dish entered home kitchens too. Birthday parties, friends gatherings, or special day menu, Oriental chicken started making its place. Bengali homemakers added novelty to it in their own ways. Somewhere mustard oil, somewhere a little more capsicum, and somewhere increasing spiciness level. In this way, Oriental chicken became not just a recipe, but rather a well-known name of Kolkata's modern food culture. Today, Oriental chicken means for Bengalis, along with taste, a story of memories, Chinese restaurants' steaming plate, home kitchen's pan, and the joy of sitting and eating with family. This dish proves how Kolkata knows how to accept outside flavors and shape them in its own way. Thus, Oriental chicken through Kolkata's path reached Bengali plates, and today it is an inseparable part of our food culture. And exactly like this, more new recipes, more taste stories, we will again return with in the next episodes. Till then, stay with us. Keep watching our program, Sonar Hai Shel.